Okay. Hello, Ranzo, as well. Nice to see you here, coming back.
¿Cómo estás?
Hola,
Hola,
thank
¿cómo estás?
nice to meet you.
So, who wants to start presentation of his
Oh,
contribution?
start my presentation. First,
Yes. What?
uh, first, me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, no. First of all, I want to thank everyone for the warm welcome and the support I've been received so far. It's been great to connect with so much a passionate and forward thinking group, and truly extent about the potential we have there to build something together. um, uh, sorry, I I reading I um is my as my contribution is my expertise primary in marketing, communication, and build organic group and the centralist platform. I have experience experience with foresting engagement and expanding network through authentic connection. My work and platform like Lens has been my key part of my portfolio. There I have successful development strategic and not only grow the community, but also increase visibility and interaction. Um, Marketing in I can help promote Optimus Fractal initiative, reach new member and expanding or influence, create campaigns that res with diverse audience. He's one of my stretch and belief is key to grow. Um, Connect creation, storytelling. I have a passion for writing and share real world experience. I love the contribute to document and journey, writing about the milestone and article and sharing insight that the inspire others to get involved. Uh, and also eating to learn from, and you see uh, who we can grow together. Thank you again for this opportunity and look forward to collaborate with Cat of you. We take Optimus Fractal to the next level. Thanks.
I love it. Do you want to select
Gracias,
someone to go
Renzo.
next?
Thank you.
Muy bueno.
Gracias.
Do you want to pick someone to go next? Renzo?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, I
You
can
want
go. I can go
okay,
next.
go ahead. I'll start the timer this time.
Okay, thanks. I will. I can screen share. Do others need screen share? Meanwhile, I will ask Dan for screen sharing permission.
Can you not share?
Well, I can, I guess. Anyway,
Okay.
so uh yeah, so a few weeks ago I made a poll on Optimism Fractal Snapshot space, asking people for input regarding what I should focus on next. And thanks to Will for voting on that. Also, Dan has voted, and yeah, I did that because I realized that I was always thinking like what to work on next. I couldn't make a decision, and figured might be a good idea. And so one of the options in the poll was uh, presentation of our console and further testing of our DAO. And I can say that this week I uh, really made huge amount of progress on that. I hosted our DAO office hours 4 times this week, which basically an event where we went in depth into our DAO concepts. Uh, in a nutshell, our DAO is a software package I'm creating for that could become the next version of Optimism Fractal software. So, and the main thing that it achieves, it allows communities to pass transaction proposals on chain using respect weighted votes in an efficient manner. Yeah, and so yeah, this week we had these events where we also tested our DAO app, and I also issued our DAO office hours respect awards, which are like the Optimism Fractal awards, with just different deployment that I made specifically for this use case. And cool thing about it is that I used our DAO itself to make decisions, so that uh, that was a good way of testing this for DAO. Yeah, and besides hopefully informing people about our DAO, I also discovered a couple of like areas of improvement that I could could work on in the future. So it really gave me more information. And I guess key contribution also here is this pattern where I asked people for input regarding what to work on next, and then that helped me make a decision. And here today, this week I delivered. And yeah, besides that, I improved documentation about our DAO, contacted Nethermind Security, which is an auditing firm to audit our DAO smart contracts through Audit Hub, a program that Optimism organizes. I also had to do some work maintaining infrastructure about our DAO, and I also distributed respect for previous meeting, and I also helped Rosemary with proposals to fix respect distribution for a couple of previous meetings. Uh, that's all for this week.
Wow, you beat the clock. Good job.
Will, would you go next?
You want me to go next?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, give me 1 second here. I'll share my screen. I was going to make one minor update, so just bear with me 1 moment here. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I'm ready. me to share my screen. So let me know that you can see my screen. You guys can see my screen, yeah? You guys see my screen? Okay. Okay, you give me a thumbs up. All right, here
Yeah.
we go. Okay, so hi. So for me, it's been a lot of IRL events and not much Web3. But what I did do this week is we found out early this week, that we got into the Octant community round on Gitcoin. So that caused me to update our website for KF Media. So here we've got a nice little graphic in Espanol because we are getting ready to tap into more of our Spanish speaking side of our community. So it gives them a direct link that they can go directly to our grants on Giveth, and they can make their contributions known here right on this page, so they can just add it to the cart, and then they can go ahead and contribute to what we're doing. This is our Learn to Earn program. So we're always looking for funding for that. What we do is we seek out impact tokens that make an impact either inside of Web3 or in the real world. So tapping into RWAs. And yeah, we reward our learners through these very unique impact tokens. As far as Let's Grow DAO, so we have this really cool tool that we use called Clockify, which tracks our time. So my limited time at Web3 this week, I was still able to give 8 hours and almost 8 minutes to Let's Grow DAO in various capacities. So we had a DAO-wide meeting. I had to schedule a couple spaces for the DAO. We did also set up a RFP group. I'll talk about that here in a second. Did a little marketing strategy, and then just a lot of meetings and promotions that we've been doing this week within the DAO, which is also built on optimism. So is KF Media. Additionally, with that, this RFP is a request for proposal from the Gitcoin DAO, and it's to create a grantee onboarding education program within Gitcoin DAO. So I formed a working group within Let's Grow DAO, so we can talk about it, we can collaborate, we can get all the essentials in order as far as our community members, so that once we get approved, yes, we're highly confident that we will be approved. So we're gonna have a pretty rock solid DAO proposal, but all this scope of work that needs to be completed once the proposal has been accepted and approved. So just coordinating, who are the community members that have the skills to cover all this. So that was pretty cool and very beneficial. And then specific to this group, I just learned about this off topic snapshot, but I did go ahead and exercise my respect to vote in the off topics snapshot on all the new proposals that are in here. I also voted in the Optimism Town Hall as well, and then voted in the Optimism Fractal, any proposals that were in there as well. So that's been my week so far, and that's what I've done for the OP Collective. Oh, one other thing too is there is this other platform out there called devouch.xyz, and it's an aggregator of projects that are looking for contributions, donations, various degrees of different ecosystems, right, including the Optimism Collective. So I did spend about a good half an hour in there going and doing on-chain attestations for people who I'm very familiar with their projects and that I support their projects, and I can vouch for them that what they're doing is ethical and above board. So that's been my week so far.
Thank you, Will. Howard.
Yeah, I guess I'm last. Thank you, Will. Yeah, so this week I have been participating in the OrDAO office hours. So I went and tried to give my comments to Das. on that. Thank you for hosting all of those, by the way. And then I've also been helping Abe um, build his app, and I've been working on the authentication of um, of the hats protocol. So like being able to see what hats people have and then giving them access to certain things based off that. And that has been giving me a little bit of trouble, but I think today I realized something. Hopefully that'll start to go a little bit smoother and I can finish it this weekend. Um, and yeah, that's about it for that's about all I've been doing for optimism, fractal, and the community at large.
So this app it's the same app that Abraham
Yeah,
is
that
building.
yeah, it's the app that Abraham build is building. And so like right now he just has like a static um he just has like a static list of all of the administrative addresses, and he's just using that to for authentication. But ideally, we want to be able to use the hats from Hats protocol um, in order to be able to authenticate people. And at first, I thought that the hats was like an NFT, but I'm pretty sure it actually doesn't issue any NFTs because every time I try to do an API call to look at everybody's NFTs, it does not show up. Um, but if I look at Hats protocol, like the address on Hats protocol, it does show up. So I'm pretty sure that it's a that information is being held on the smart contract for the Hats protocol itself. So I have to figure out. I have to look at the contract and see what the call is in order to interact with the contract and then get the information from the contract itself instead of the wallet address.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah, I should have looked at the smart contract to start, and I just didn't. Yeah, I instead started just trying to set it up to scan somebody's wallet. And after I tried I tried Third Web and then Alchemy, and when it still didn't work, I'm like, all right, something's wrong here. So I checked the actual smart contracts, and I'm like, oh, whoops. So, but so yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Good to hear you're figuring it out. Uh, yeah, any other questions for other contributors here?
Just four of us. It went pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, quick and easy.
We'll create Fractalgram group. So I share the Telegram group in the chat.
I joined the group. Renzo, did you join the Telegram group?
Okay.
Yep, I'm in there now as well. Looks like all four of us are.
Yep.
Yes,
ADRO is Renzo.
yes, my real name is Pedro.
Pedro.
Pedro. Está bien, Renzo. It's good name for me, Renzo.
Me gusta.
A mí también.
Okay, and so Renzo, you just need to reply to Tadas's message with your wallet address, and he can start the game
Yeah,
in the
so
Telegram group.
the Optimism account address that you gave us this week, you need to hit reply on the first message in the Telegram group, and then reply with your address, like we did. You're muted, Ran, so we cannot hear you.
Renzo, you're on mute.
1 minute, 1 minute. It's okay. It's in my Discord.
You got it.
Okay. Okay. Mm,
Yes, that's good, except can you reply that can you send it as a reply to the first message?
I send my
Yes, you
yeah.
send it, but
You need to right click.
yes, right click on the first message in the chat, and then hit
Uh-huh.
reply, and then input your uh, account address.
Okay. Okay. Mm. King copy.
Okay, great. Thanks, Renzo.
Gracias.
Yes, now let's vote on who contributed the most this week based on our presentations in this room.
For me, for my, you answer for me?
Yeah, so
Uh,
right now we are voting based on our opinion on what we heard in this room, who contributed the most.
Oh, very, okay. ¿Listo? Okay.
Okay, yes, so we have consensus. Thanks, everyone. And next, second biggest contributor. Okay, will get level 6. And Howard gets level 4. Does anyone know what room number are we in?
We're in room number 1.
Okay. Room number 1, I just received the message from Rosemary that it's room 2.
Oh, it says on the top of my Zoom meeting room 1.
Okay.
That's true. It does same here on the top. It says meeting Zoom meeting room 1.
It used to say that to me in the past, but now yeah, there an update. Yeah, it's
But if
probably
Rosemary's saying room 2, I mean, who's going to argue with her, right?
no. Maybe she meant she maybe misunderstood my question and thought I
Yeah,
was
maybe.
asking about her room. Okay, let's say it's room. Okay, let's room 1. Okay, yes, she meant that's her room. So ours is group number 1. Yeah, so now, Renzo, if you can uh, click the here in results can be submitted here, and it will take you to an app through which you can submit results on chain.
Um, submit. I don't understand.
Yeah, so do you see the last message that I shared in the
Uh-huh,
chat? Yeah, so
uh-huh.
and at the end it says results can be submitted here.
And
The last link in the
submit the donde. Uh,
On optimism.
um, in another site.
Yeah, see.
Okay, I copy the link.
See.
Okay, okay. Um, this link, yeah, in the
Yeah.
chat.
So yeah, if you click it, it will take you to another site. And then um, you need to click the submit button in
Mhm.
order for us to post the results of the poll that we just took onto the Optimism blockchain.
yes, but I think you're thinking about the wrong link. So uh, in
Oh,
the in my message in the chat, not Will's, but the one before that. Uh,
oh yeah, where it says
Oh, sorry if I confused them. My bad.
submitted here. Results can be submitted here. If you click the word here, it should take you to another site.
if someone could screen share, if I screen share my Zoom, will please.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to screen share?
If it's not too hard.
Sure. Uh,
Abrir. Abrir. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So if you click right here,
Yeah, okay. Yes. Okay.
open,
Another link. Okay. Open.
right?
Okay. Okay. Continue.
Yep. Then you
So,
click submit,
okay.
and then you should see a transaction in your wallet.
Oh, okay. Um, yeah. Um, I submit the Coinbase wallet and nor in this is another
Meta
account is the
MetaMask.
MetaMask. Is the
Yeah.
MetaMask. Yeah.
Mm,
Well, we actually
Um,
have enough submissions for this room. It's just that for future, uh, Renzo, it might be good for Renzo to learn this.
um, I try um, okay. A ver, you see, is the MetaMask wallet is no
yeah.
Coinbase
I
wallet.
I don't know if you can do it on Coinbase.
Is better to MetaMask? Is
Probably.
changed?
Per-
Is another wallet for the fears in the chat?
Um, you can't use your MetaMask wallet, or you have to use the same wallet address. It's okay if you can't do it today. Uh,
Okay,
but for next week, when you reply with an address, use your MetaMask address.
okay, okay. Okay, try. And submit. Okay, that one. This is the in the Brave Brown series, my MetaMask. Okay. Mm, yes, is ready. Submit.
Did you create a MetaMask wallet?
Is on chain. It's ready. Yeah.
Yep, I see your transaction.
Cool.
Thank,
Awesome.
thank you for your question.
Thank you, Renzo.
Thank you. Forward, thank you. I changed the MetaMask for Coinbase wallet. Another.
Nice. So we're
Yeah.
going back to the main room now.
We can. Although, one thing for Renzo, next time in respect game, share this MetaMask address, like where you replied with your address. Next time, reply with this new address that you just used.
Okay. In the Telegram game,
Yes,
the MetaMask wallet.
yes.
Okay.
Just for the next time.
Okay. Okay.
All right, I'll see you guys back in the main meeting room.
Okay. I think I will leave a bit early. So we are going to the main room.
Exit.
Leave breakout room.
Uh,
Not leave meeting, but leave breakout room.
okay. Here.
At the bottom right, you can see leave room.
Red button.
No, blue. Leave breakout room. Blue.
Blue.
You don't have a blue button?
No. No
Only
blue
red.
button.
Only red. So
Um,
I don't know. For me, it shows blue button. But maybe, well, if you can press red, and you can then rejoin it through the same link.
okay. Yeah. So it's